All right, yes, we are there and we don't come back. But you wait there. Make sure so you put your mouth on top of our first story of the day. We concern the man where talk say he go waka from Lagos to Abuja. If Major General Muhammadu Buhari retired win, and he don't do him now, but plenty people thought they come outside talk say 23 days to waka from Lagos to Abuja, it is come and be a lie. You not actually do him. But you wait there, you feel say this man do him. Or if you say the man not one, just tell us the reason where you get all the thoughts where you think. Just put them on top Twitter at Talk Wazobia. Now, our next story for today concerns the Orekoya's family. Now, remember the family of where the nanny, where they carry from online, where she could be 3 of their children, 3 of their boys, 3 children like that, where she carry. But we thank God say they don't actually find the boys. And the nanny don't enter inside jail. Prison, they answer question. Now, our mother, that's the mother of this nanny, so we do this badness, don't enter inside the Lagos State Police Command for Isai Ikeja with one goal for mind. Just to confirm, say the suspects, where they don't bring out on top TV, now actually a child, Fumilayo. Now, this woman we talk about, so we be the mother of this this nanny where kidnapped the children, na prophetess na she be. Her name na prophetess Adeyemi. And she claims, say, a visit to the police station to identify the suspect, where they talk, say, Kolobi 3 children from a madam just barely 24 hours after they actually put her for inside the house. Now she come outside talk, say, her daughter, say she see her daughter since when her daughter come up for house in 2005. Now when she see her daughter last, she come outside talk, say, he say she tell me, say she they go back to school and she not come back house. He said she leave us 8 years ago. He said she come outside talk, say, they kidnapped and hypnotized my daughter. Now, within prophetess, they come outside talk. So when they come ask her, say, as a prophetess, especially where they prophesy, why be say you not prophesy to find out where your daughter dey? Mrs. Adeyemi can reply. He said, I don't know, say my daughter don't lost. So I not bother to focus my prayer on her. I feel, say, she na adult, and she dey entitled to do what she want to do with her life. Really? Most especially since she gets in touch with her sister. He said, I feel, say, no need for me to worry, use my prophecy to find out where my daughter dey, or that she dey okay. He said, the only time where I speak with her, she talks, say she dey for inside South Africa. Wow. Now, we know, say, this particular nanny, so we do this badness, say they're actually paying some amount into the account, but the only amount where the kidnappers fee withdraw now 400,000 naira before they actually catch her. And she come outside talk, say, her husband, and even the husband family, plus the husband, mama, and brother, say now all of them, they plan this particular thing. So, this particular kidnapping, and not be the first time that they kidnap, and not be the second time that they kidnap, because all of them, they plan them together. Until today, they never still find any member of her husband's family. So now, with the question where they plenty people mind, we say, you feel, say, police, they do enough to find the more suspects where they involved in this case? Because as at now, these people are still out there and they feel law another person again to use the person to do this badness. You feel, say, police, they do enough?
If I want to answer this question, which you are supposed to answer the question.
Yes.
I'll first start by talking, say, police, I feel, say, that they try.
Okay.
Because we know the kind of country we do. We know the kind of situation we they face. So I won't just give them small kudos, say, at least they even find the woman. So, plus. But if I go give, if 10 plus they say make I give them how many plus, I'll give them 4.
Okay.
Because they manage catch the girl. The rest na 0. I know say no go easy for them to get all these people, but I feel that they need to put more effort.
Okay.
Put more effort. Yes, the woman don't come out. I no go talk to me they arrest the mama, but make they hold the mama, make she for even talk more. Because how you go talk say you a prophetess? Okay, let's even forget the fact that she be a prophet. You be mama. So you no care whether your pikin waka go Jamaica, come back after 8 years, and where you see him inside prison, you come here say your pikin, maybe they serious for here now. So you just realize say your pikin just come back and na prison and you no care. You sure say the woman herself don't know say her pikin well,
She dey involved in kidnapping.
Because we know even years before say the woman, the woman not thought say her pikin don't marry. She thought say her pikin go school.
Yeah, because she not know
for 8 years.
Because even the Fumilayo come outside and say she never married the man, but she dey hope say she go marry the man because when she get belle for the man promised her marriage. So she got to say, okay, since this man go marry me, make I just stay with her since I dey single and I no fit be single mother. And I tell she come born two, come see born another one again, come make am four, which she actually get for the man, and the man never actually marry her.
So the mama true don't know anything about it?
I don't know, but Fumilayo, the girl where do the kidnapping of thing, come outside talk say she never married the man, but she dey stay with the man. She don't born pikin for the man.
May I just focus on the question? Yeah. Police, then try.
For me, I actually feel say Nigerian police they try, but they still need to do more. No matter how much they try, now their job then they do. So if they put in more effort day by day, year in year out, it not go spoil anything. That's still their job, and the kudos go still go to them. But at the same time, concerning this kidnap issue, I believe say even the media they don't try their best as well. Yes, the husband and the family they still there outside they do the badness because I know say those ones serve and they smart because from the Fumilayo confession, the man first said the first kidnapping they do then go Shagamu, the second one they come Aja, the third one and they go strategy. Now strategy. Now they do all those things. Person where they charge 2 million, 3 million for kidnap. Of course, it's very easy for them to change their house. At a point, they even decide say, you know what, we don't want to get house again. We want to live for inside hotel, and it go then more difficult for the police to actually do their job. But that will not be excused. But for me, I go say yes. Then they try, and media they try. But we as individuals out there, we need to also give ourselves, search yourself, give yourself brain, because at the same time, they hear everywhere say, okay, oh, all these house girls and everything, then they go into badness of kidnapping children. So you too, you go tighten your own. If na camera you want put, if you know say na must for you to get the house girl, whether you know them or not, put in cameras, spend the money no dey, but you go need to find them for your own safety and for your own how I want to put them to help your own self actually. Then for the Fumilayo and her mama, I go actually say something they miss for inside the gist, because for your pikin, forget whether you be prophetess or you be pastor or you be woli or you be demon, anyone where you be, but if your pikin lost, no normal mother, even if now 1 year, even if now 6 months, no normal mama go just sleep, say, okay, my pikin, she go school, she no come back.
So I no bother to pray for her.
So I no bother to hear from her. Then it means say, it gets something where happen, where she take come out house, where you never actually talk. And that thing where she never talk, maybe if it help Nigerian police to know as to wetin actually they happen concerning this whole case. Because for me, this case big pass wetin we they see for the surface.
Okay, I want paint picture here.
Paint.
I want paint picture. For me, I want paint picture. I know
paint.
But maybe this is my picture I want paint, because I dey watch crime investigation. They paint, they draw people sometimes, and it will help locate the actual person with them.
Yes.
I dey think I'm like this. The Fumilayo mama na prophetess. She come bring man come house. The mama come pray for them, hypnotize them. They use the man and the kidney can take get money. Momsi know about the package, but now Momsi don't go hide the people. She can't come all the way from where she can't look for Fumilayo, thinking say she go fit brainwash people. Because Fumilayo born 1,
CSI
born 2, born 3, born 4.
Yes.
Her only sister, now they talk to her. And the only time when you talk to her, you there for South Africa. That one now one aside. Secondly, Fumilayo, the man where you marry, you know him mama, you know him brother, and you know him brother wife. They don't get any other relation where they come from. When I meet for bus stop and actually born children for bus stop. Maybe they move for different bus stop. Born 4 children. So up till now, we don't know where the brother will collect 400,000 naira for back.
Number 1.
We don't see the husband where they threaten people for phone call, because these days they register SIM card.
Number 2.
Then the wife where they go, the media where they take get the people. She no go any church. She know they go mosque. Now 3 she they fall. 3. Then the mama where they talk say get hypertension, I be waiting for me like
Number 4.
They don't see they kill the mama bury and everything. Hey, story is plenty. Una go sing confess. But me, one thing I know, Nigerian police, una they do not work well, because Nigerian police, not be all of them sabi computer. Who could they honest
No,
with
of course,
ourselves?
of course.
That's why to me,
not all of us sabi computer.
wait, I say to me, it gets some Yahoo boys who actually we do crime, we then catch with the money. Use them, take find this case.
Now what's all you do?
Because now what's in other countries they use those boys where they do Yahoo because they know how to manipulate things.
Yes.
They go manipulate and get these people.
Give them
and
the
up
training,
till now
give
we
them
never
the
get
job.
picture of the husband, in brother,
God
and
bless
the
you, Queen,
wife
for saying this thing.
and the mama. We never get
Thank
they don't
you.
get any family picture, any party picture where they go. They don't get
They know
any
they
picture.
snap. After all,
they
talking
know
no
they
get
snap.
childhood picture.
No, okay. A lot of people not get
They know
childhood
they
picture.
snap
They
picture.
know
A
they
lot of
snap
people where I know
picture.
not get childhood picture.
Yes.
A lot of
Yeah.
people where I know. So
Don't be childhood. They don't get picture.
The thing is, say, waiting you just talk now. Now waiting
Because I get different points where I feel talk about. So no, the man will not get a picture.
When I read the story,
Why?
I was like, at this point, you don't even get the man picture. We get the brother, we get the mama, where they involved in this case. At this point, and those people, if it won't go outside, they do all that badness.
They don't move.
And
They
they
don't
don't
say
move.
Nigeria when something they hot. Now everybody they focus on them. Give them like 3, 4, 5 months now. The matter don't die.
And that's
give
why I
them
need to
December
come
now.
in.
They go enter
The funny
inside.
part is
That's
that
why I
they
need
not
to
even
come
dey
in.
Nigeria again. They don't enter Benin
Yes,
or
now,
Cotonou.
they fit enter
They don't
another
enter
place.
anywhere to continue their business.
But like you talk, say you
Even go back to
you say you
village.
actually praise the media. Yeah, I
The
think
media don't really
Because
try.
actually,
Yes.
now media
Try.
make people. They notice this thing because the video go viral. People they send them that
Yes.
weekend. That's on the people they send them
Pictures,
watch.
everywhere.
Actually, I appreciate the media because
Oh,
by
yes.
now, if not media, what we know before, by now this matter will not they read them again. They don't see the children.
But now
so
that they
fine.
do follow
But
up.
now they do follow up. In short, he gave a particular story where come outside talk say even the Orekoya's children where they kidnap, say they not even feel say they kidnap them because they mingle with the children of their own kidnapper. So they were all playing. As in, when I read the story, I was like, wow.
Now
really?
we need to do DNA of those children where that woman thought say she born 4 children. Maybe
Where the
now
children
another. Yes, maybe those children where they without she they claim say she
Now
born.
people where they
Maybe
kidnap
the
them.
children where they don't
Children.
kidnap.
Exactly.
Now they need to check those children whether na her own actually. Maybe she kidnapped them
Queen
when
B
they
is
baby.
working.
Possible.
Orekoya
No,
case
she's
is
CSI.
CSI.
Oh,
She's
Lord.
CSI.
Please, police can't carry. She fit give una head
No, you
start.
need people with intelligence, like
Oga
the CSI
Uche.
intelligence.
We have
Give head
prospects.
start.
The prophetess, I know
yeah.
say it gets prophecy. Those ones where they prophesize to police for Yankee, they will use them. Okay, this direction, and the family pass.
Psyche.
Then the mama wear blue cloth, but at this moment where they talk, she go don't wear pink. Do you know they're going to prophesy? Ah, your
Adine.
pikin come off for house. You don't know
Psyche.
say she dey do that
No,
kind
the
of
woman
Make mommy
need to
go
watch
sit
her
down.
words because there are some things, like you talk, there are some things that are missing in everything when
No,
she come
you-
outside.
Make mommy go
You are a
sit down.
prophetess and you come
Plenty
outside and
things they
say,
miss.
I don't need to waste my time, pray for my daughter because she's
Hey,
an adult.
now there be bank of
Prophetess.
my prayer. I go dey bank my prayer for the
That's the way
children.
be prophetess. Sometimes say you feel even sit down and
Just
vision
feel.
will just come. Say,
Yeah.
look at what your
Yes.
child
See
is
my
doing.
Ah.
So wait, see which kind of prophetess you actually be.
Fake. Prophet.
Wow.
Nigeria.
All right, from there, epic.
Really epic.
Oh, from there we go enter the next story. But you were there. Tell us what you think about this particular case. And you feel say police they do enough. And also the one where the mother come outside talk say she na prophetess, but she not feel actually waste her time pray for her daughter
pikin just dey waste time.
because her daughter na adult. So that na why 8 years ago when the daughter come out for house, she not even bother contact the daughter. What you think about her? To Twitter at Wazobia. Now this is our next story. One travel enter Obodo Yibo.
Again.
Now, one video where they don't see on top security camera don't show the kind things where men they do to women. It don't show the mental state of one particular man where be Milton Vera Severiano,
The name resemble
32
wetin
years. And this video show how he drag him wife for her body. 29 years old dancer where be Cicera Alves de Sena. He drag her enter
The
garden.
name sound dragging.
The name be like curse.
He drag her enter garden of their apartment for inside Rio de Janeiro, for inside Eastern and Brazil.
You get a taste of fine.
Now, you know what he do?
She be dancing.
He then dump her for ground before he grab her by the hair, slam her head for concrete 11 times, punch her for face 10 times, and he can't do anything. Come enter inside house, come outside with handgun, shoot her for face 5 times.
Wow.
Now you need to understand what happened. Now one of their neighbor will be Lelio Maya Puga, 33 years old. Come outside talk say this couple so now they 4 days now they don't marry so
4 days.
4 days and they be done a year some kind terrible argument when they come outside from that apartment. Now, the man, after he don't shoot his wife, he can steal one of his neighbor car, they run, but police actually catch him. So when policeman come ask and say, why you do this kind of badness? Yeah, wetin come outside talk. He confess say he kill his wife because he dey jealous of the way men they look her when she dey dance. Because she na dancer. Say because he dey jealous of the way when men they look her when she dey dance. And now they say this man fit face life imprisonment.
Fit face, abi you suppose face.
I don't understand what I need to talk about this. So even the question we actually put on top this one, the thing self, I don't understand.
I always talk if you get some people who go commit some offense and you no need to judge the matter. No use book write, no use story write. This one even get video. Just they calculate as they beat the woman. Make somebody they beat her like that. Punch her for granted. They go act and wear for her. Then you point, they shoot her. Poor. End of story. But hey, we no be God, we feel create so we go leave them to God, make it judge the matter. But one thing again, because of our motivational Monday, like we don't always talk for here, we say always get man we go support your dreams.
Yeah.
Anything where you want to do for life, even if now man you be, get woman we go always support your dream. If you be, because some guys I hear about one where they say him be bartender, he like to work for club, and now for club he meets the woman. Now when night do, the woman go carry pikin for back, come meet up for club when they serve people drink. I don't understand that kind of story.
What should they do?
She did carry, she won't come stay with him because he's working. Love. Now she don't want it because the whole club manager no go agree say you carry small pikin come club or your wife come there come. Maybe you know now they go give them tips and you can't jealous and can't cause drama. Obviously she could cause drama once or twice. She could don't see some people go down high, forget what they do, then don't see the guy grab her, come the table. Hello. But hey, I beg. Onto motivational, get somebody. If you say Gary, look for person they fry Gary or farmer. He understand the process in the family.
Say.
You know, see the man just do. The man kill the woman dead. Now what you do?
Simple.
I don't understand. He kill and dead.
I'm telling you.
As if she don't die before you actually shoot her.
He's supposed to kill and life.
No, you don't kill her before you actually shoot her. Now she don't
Don't
die.
die. So what do we say?
That time we slam her head. If she know say they go carry gun, she go don't stand or
Don't
she never die.
stand
Or she dey unconscious. So.
Well, for me, I actually feel nowadays with all the story we hear from Obodo, especially for Oyibo people, if you want marry, I remember when I go do psychoanalysis before you enter the marriage. Not be lie. Before you enter the marriage, because nowadays you know if you tell who they okay and who no they okay. The other day, like last week or 2 weeks ago, one of our colleagues came in. They tell us of person where they say the husband, she married the girl had married the husband. She don't know say the husband don't actually they get mental distance, and the family know. When she can't come out, they complain now. They say, oh, we still say you know. So now you know need to check everything. Not only health checkups and you go check brain.
You need to check everything. You go check everything. And especially if you not say a man they jealous, and then you just get out for your mind say, oh, even though we're married, the jealousy will come out.
You go say, nah, love.
Sorry, the jealousy will actually come out. But you know what? We're going to pass more break. Our time they go like say tomorrow no day, so that our guests go enter inside the studio, motivational guests, and then go talk about how you go change that negative thoughts where you they get, put in positive thoughts. Not go anywhere when they come back.